Hey, what's up, travel friends? This is Matt at Coastal Compass, and today we are at Beaches Negril, and we are going to show you the Eventide Suites that they have in the Calypso Cove Village. We're going to be giving you a full tour of one of these rooms. If you like what you see and you want to book it, but you want help, please click the Contact Us link in the show notes, and we will reach out and help you curate the perfect family vacation. If you want to book it yourself, totally cool. We have an affiliate link there also, and if you found this helpful, I would really appreciate it if you use that link while booking. That really helps me out. And then last, if you've booked within the last couple weeks and you haven't paid in full, you might qualify for our free concierge service for this room leading up to your trip. So we also have a link in the show notes. You can check that out. Let's get to it and see this room. All right, that's it for the room tour. I hope you like what you saw and you found this helpful. And again, if you want to book, you can book through us. There's a contact us link in the show notes, or you can book yourself with that affiliate link. And you can also qualify if you've booked it recently but haven't paid in full. There's a free concierge link in the show notes as well. Please subscribe if you're interested in Sandals and Beaches. We'll be bringing you more of that content weekly.